Hey, what's up guys, Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to make a video to show you how you can create and save a template in Inkscape. And so first of all, shout out to this guy, Control Marcos, for giving me the solution for this, because I've been looking for this. And so for example, if you're opening Inkscape, you can open a new document. And the default options usually look like this, and it might not exactly be the type of dimension that you want for your design. And so what you can do is simply go into document properties and set, in my case, I'm looking for the t-shirt dimensions. So I'm using pixels, and more specifically 45 pixels by 5400 pixels. So then I just set this to my liking, and those are the dimensions that I need for my designs. And then what you can do is simply save template, and you can give it a name to your template. So in my case, I'm going to name it t-shirt 2, because I actually have another template that I created, but I'm creating this template for this video. And you can set this template as a default template, okay? And so when you open it, it always opens this template here. So you can save this, and now if I close this and then I open Inkscape again, first of all, when you see this screen here, you can actually see the different templates that you have. And so here I basically have my two templates, like the first t-shirt template that I did, and then my second t-shirt template that I did. But if I simply open a new document without choosing any template, then you can see that this is the template that I've been looking for. This is a template that I created, and it basically opens the default template. And you can also open any template at any moment from here, okay? You can select files, new from template, and then from this menu you can choose the template that you want, okay? And so here, I haven't seen this before. This is pretty cool. You see all sort of different templates, but you can see also the two templates that I created, t-shirt templates, and so you can create from here too. Okay, so this is really cool. So I hope that this video was helpful to you, and let me know if you have any question, okay? Peace.